E-skwela Online Paaralan para sa mga bulilit ng tahanan.
Hello everybody! Welcome to E-skwela Online Paaralan para sa mga bulilit ng tahanan. Brought to you by Exemplars Academy. I'm so happy that you are here today. My name is Teacher Ann. Hello to the bulilits and not so bulilit who are watching. Today, we are going to learn about the letter sounds. Are you ready? If you are ready, give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Okay, let's get started. How many letters are there in the alphabet? Do you remember? Correct. There are 26 letters in the alphabet. And we are finished with the first letter sound, the letter A. What is the sound of the letter A? Do you remember? Can I hear that? Great! It is A, A, A. Can you open your mouth and say A, A, A? Can you say it again? A, A, A. Very good! Since you now know the letter A sound, let's play a game. I will show you a picture of a playground. In the picture, you find the things that start with the letter A. Are you ready? Okay! Did you find the things that start with the letter A? Great! What did you find? Ant. Correct. What else? Apple. Very good. What else? Arrow. Good job. Anchor. Very good. Axe. What else? And the last one is ambulance. Very good, kids. Good job, kids! Because you found the things that start with the letter A, I will give you a star! Today, we will learn the next letter sound. Are you ready? Great! Okay, turn on your listening ears. Alright, and get ready to talk about the new letter sound. Did you turn on your listening ears? Great! Now, I will say, eyes on me, and you will say, eyes on you, Teacher Ann. Can you repeat that? I will say, eyes on me, and you will say, eyes on you, Teacher Ann. Good job. Okay, kids, before I show you the new letter, I would like you to listen to the sound. Listen carefully. Can you guess what kind of sound is that? Or what kind of animal was that? Was it a dog? A cat? A monkey? What was it? You are right. It was the sound of the bear. We will be talking about the letter B, as in bear. What letter do you see here? Yes, this is the letter B, or the letter B. Sometimes we call it Mommy B or Big B. How about this? What letter is this? Yes, this is the lowercase letter B. Or sometimes we call it the baby B or small b. Okay, let's put the big B and the small b together. What is the name of this letter again? Correct, it's letter B. It's the letter B. Do you know the sound of this letter? I already said it. It is B. This letter says B. Can you repeat after me? B. Okay, it's your turn. Good job! Letter B says B, B, B. Now, let's learn more about the letter B so that you can remember the B, B sound. I will show you the pictures that start with a B, B sound. Are you ready? Give me a thumbs up. Great! Okay, kids, what is this? Yes, it's brown bear. This is a brown bear. It's a big and powerful animal. They live on land and they eat meat. Can you move like a bear? And can you say B, B, B? Okay, let's move like a big brown bear and say B, B, bear. Good job! Now what is the next picture? Can you guess the name by listening to the sound? Yes, it is a bird. Bird, yes, it has wings and their body is covered with feathers. They can fly and lay eggs. Can you say B, B, B? Okay, let's fly like a bird and say B, B, bird. Good job! How about this? Can you guess? Can you listen to the sound? What is it? Yes, it is a buzzing bee. Bee. It is a flying insect. Can you say B, B, B? Or B, B, bee? Good job! What about this? Listen to the sound. What is it? Yes, it's a bouncing ball. It's an object that is kicked, thrown, and hit in a game. Can you say B, B, B? Okay, pretend that you are bouncing a ball or kicking a ball. And say B, 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 ball. Good job! What are the other objects that begin with a B, B sound? Can you guess? I will give you a hint, okay? It's a yellow fruit and monkeys love to eat it. What is it? Yes, you are right. It's banana. What else? Yes, this is where you sleep. What is it? Yes, it is a bed. This is where you put all your things when you go to school. What is it? Yes, it is a bag. Can you name the colors that begin with the letter B? Can you give me colors that has B sound? What is it? It is the color of the grizzly bear. What's the color of the grizzly bear? Yes, you are right. It's brown. What about the color of your hair? What is the color of your hair? Yes, it's black. What about the color of the sky? What's the color of the sky? Yes, you are correct. It is blue. Okay, kids, good job. We are finished naming the pictures that begin with a B sound. Let's review them. The first one is bear, bird, bee, ball, banana, bed, bag, brown, black, and blue. Can we sing them and say the B sound? Let's do it. Bear, bear, bird, bird, bee, bee, ball, ball, banana, banana, bed, bed, bag, bag, brown, brown, black, black, blue, 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 Good job! Okay, I'll be teaching you another song. The title of the song is Bouncy Ben. Okay, are you ready? Let's sing. Bouncy Ben says B in words. Bouncy Ben says B in words. Bouncy Ben says B in words before he bounces home. Okay, can you do it? Alright, let's try. Bouncy fences, b in words. Bouncy fences, b in words. Bouncy fences, b in words before he bounces home. Very good, kids! Now, to learn more about the letter B or the B sound, you are going to listen to a short story that will help you remember the B sound. Are you ready? If you are ready, can you move your arms? Can you wave your arms? Come on, move your arms! Alright, let's sing! Story time is here again, here again, here again. Story time is here again. I'm ready to listen. The title of our story is The Bear and the Bee. Boo is a small bear. He was playing with his balloon when he heard a strange sound. Boo followed the sound until he found a small bee. It was flying around the flowers, making a buzzing sound. The bee was gathering the nectar from the flowers to make the honey. Boo loved the bee. It gives him sweet honey. The end. Okay, kids, are you ready to answer my questions? Let's see if you have understood the story. Okay, I'll be reading the questions. Get ready. Number 1. Who has a small bear? Correct. It is Boo. Number 2. What was he playing? Yes, he was playing with a balloon. Number 3. What did Boo find? What did he find? It is the bee. And number 4. What did the bee give Boo? Honey. Very good. Number 5. Did Boo like it? Yes, he liked the honey. Alright, kids, from the story that we read, we will name the words that begin with a b sound. What are those? Can you remember? There are 4 words that start with the letter B from the story. Can you name them? Okay, the first one is Boo, right? And then bear. What else? Balloon. And the bee. Can you say the first sound of the words again? Boo, bear, balloon, and bee. Great job! I will give you 3 balloons for a job well done. Now you have learned the letter B sound. Now we will study how to trace and write the letter B. How do we write the letter B? Okay, I'll teach you. So you have to start from the top. You have to write standing line. So from the top, make a straight line. There. And then make a curved line. Curve and curve. Let's try it again. From the top, standing line. And then curve line. Good job! How about the small b? How do we trace and write the letter B or the small b? Standing line and curved line. Let's do it again. Start from the top. Standing line and curved line. That's how you will write the letter B. Okay, did you get it? Good job. Okay, activity time. Point all the pictures that begin with the letter B. Now you can use your pointer. Are you ready? I will give you 10 seconds to answer it. count of 3, you may begin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's check your answers. What are the pictures that begin with the B sound? Let's name them, okay? Bear, bird, bee, ball, banana, bed, and bag. Great! Wait, there's another picture that starts with the letter B. This is very important object. It is the Word of God. What is it? Can you guess? Yes, you are right. It is the Bible. It is the Bible. Bible as in Bible. Okay, let's sing the song. The Bible. Yes, that's the book for me. I stand alone in the Word of God. The Bible. The Bible. Yes, that's the book for me. I stand alone in the Word of God. The Bible. Bible. I had so much fun teaching you today the letter A and B sounds. How about you? Did you have fun learning them? Okay, if you enjoyed it, can you give me a thumbs up? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Okay, kids, until next time, I will be teaching you another letter sound. So, do not miss the fun learning the letters and their sound. This is Teacher Ann and I will see you again. Bye! God bless you!
E-skwela Online Paaralan para sa mga bulilit ng tahanan.